In ancient Greek philosophy, the word form meant an inner forming activity, which is the cause of the growth of things and of the development and differentiation of their various essential forms. For example, in the case of an oak tree, what is indicated as formal cause is the whole inner movement of the cell growth, articulation of the branches and the leaves, which is the characteristics of that specific kind of tree. It is part of evolution in community ecology, where diverse communities are healthy communities. The relationship between species diversity and community stability highlights the need to maintain the greatest richness within biological communities. Each plant community creates conditions that subsequently allow different plant communities to thrive. Early colonizers like grass might add nutrients to the soil, and later ones like scrub create cover. Forms can be seen in the forms of networks, either in nature or computer science. Networks can either be centralized, decentralized, or distributed. The system type depends on the dynamic forces and influence at play, which stimulate the direction of the growth and development within the system. And in cases of computer models with emergent phenomena, hidden variables and change at random need to be accounted for. These are known as self-modifying systems, which are found in biology, computation, and cognitive science. Networks can also be in the form of fields. Just like nodes in a network, classical field theory is a physical field theory that deals with the continuous web of dynamic variables and a general idea of quantity that is a function of time and space, which can be used to describe wave-like physical phenomena such as sound and light and other continuous phenomena. The state of a field at any given time is represented by giving a finite set of numbers for each point in space, and the field can in principle then be observed without disturbing it. Most field theories have multiple fields and components or a combination thereof. Quantum field theory is a theoretical framework that combines classical field theory, special relativity, and quantum mechanics, and is currently the best theory to describe the most basic building blocks of the universe. Quantum field theory is the general theoretical framework of quantized fields. The standard model is the specific model of quantized fields consisting of 17 particles. It explains how particles called quarks make up all known matter and how particles pervade space-time. It explains that there are four fundamental forces at work in the universe: the strong force, the weak force, the electromagnetic force, and the gravitational force. They work over different ranges and have different strengths. In morphic science, a morphic field is an energy field that defines the entire biology of all living beings and guides the development and behavior of an organism as it grows. Everything must thus include an inner forming activity, which is a final design which is implicate in the order of all things.